You like it, Lucas?
And I'm going to be a good pirate.
A good pirate.
He's gonna be a what?
He's gonna be a good pirate.
I'm glad, son.
Ruby, Lucas opened that barrel-looking one, and Ruby, you opened this one. That's the difference.
This barrel.
No,
The round one, baby.
There you go, Ruby. Okay, go, girl.
What is it?
It's your game, Lucas. All right, yeah, do these.
Mama, this one.
Hold on. Wait,
You
look.
got two more flat ones.
Here, do these two.
Okay.
Look, you got one. Hey, put the paper
Now
up.
this one and this one.
Come on.
Daddy, can I do
Oh, yes, do that one. Go.
Put the paper up, baby.
I do.
No, there's some right here. Look.
Oh,
Here you go.
Dress, is it Ruby? Sticker. Hey. Lucas is pirates. When you dress
Boy.
up as pirates.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Here, do this one
Do
next.
This one, Lucas, and there should be one. Yours, no, this one's yours, Lucas, and this is Ruby. Okay, Ruby.
I forgot to open it.
Oh yeah, open your other flat one. Lucas, you have another flat one.
Yeah, I want to open
Okay, open that one.